I like these. Too bad they don't sell chili flavor anymore.
Look how much I can get in there.
OMG.
I can steal this whole store, man.
Grab whatever you can.
Hey, put that back! Run! Catch this if you can!
Hey, stop!
Yeah, right! Mind your own business, weirdie!
Transform into Cicada! You boys dropped your soup? Let me give it back!
Who knocked these guys out?
We'll find out soon enough. Let's get him in the car.
Who knocked out these two thieves?
Well, there goes my night out. Thanks, punks. I knew I should have stayed home. Oh well. Screw it, I'll just eat some cold pizza.